This isn't a hallmark bull market rally here. This is pretty much a bit of a rally here that you want to be managing your risk with a bit, because again, it is very weak. And any type of data that comes up here over the next few days, few weeks, month, whatever, has a bigger potential to cause another decline in the market. Here's what you need to know before the bell this morning, since it is inflation day. Markets have been in a really interesting pattern over the last kind of week and a half. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, every day. Every day. Down on Friday, up on Monday, down on Tuesday, up on Wednesday, down on Thursday, up on Friday, down on Monday. This has just been the pattern. Just this stair-step back and forth pattern as we've been kind of going this recovery rally. And we're back to near all-time highs currently in the markets. But again, it's just been a stair-step every day. We kind of opened up yesterday, sold off into the afternoon. Today, right now, futures are pointing up about 2 points. So a little bit flat this morning, but we'll see what happens after that inflation report. Relative strength continues to kind of moderate here. We've been kind of recovering relative strength, seeing some pick up. Momentum remains kind of in a weakening trend despite this rally in the market. So we have a bit of a negative divergence between momentum and relative strength, and money flows continue just to remain very weak here. So again, this rally that we've had from last Friday's correction is good from the standpoint that markets have been rallying, but it's been on really narrow breadth. In fact, yesterday, the NASDAQ when it hit an all-time high yesterday, only 48% of its members were actually participating in that rally. That's the lowest ever on record. So it's been a very, very weak rally in terms of breadth. Momentum has been weak. So this isn't a hallmark bull market rally here. This is pretty much a bit of a rally here that you want to be managing your risk with a bit, because again, it is very weak. And any type of data that comes up here over the next few days, few weeks, month, whatever, has a bigger potential to cause another decline in the market. So again, that's just the risk where we are. When you have a very weak market, think about kind of a house built on sand, right? I mean, it doesn't take a lot to bring it down. And that's kind of where we are. This very kind of weak rally leaves individuals susceptible to a fairly sharp price decline, because buyers are sitting a good bit lower in the markets right now than where sellers are trying to execute trades. So again, just be careful with that. Again, it's nothing to worry about. This is where we are in the markets, but there is just some risk here. That's what you need to know before the bell this morning.